William was a rich businessman. However, he was a great miser too. He had great pain in spending a single penny on anything. Before spending, he would think over and over again. And if necessary, then only he would spend something. He was hesitant to spend on his family too. Once William got sick and fainted. His son Tony immediately called for a physician. The physician inspected William and said,
"Something is troubling you. If you do not talk about it, you shall not be cured."
After the physician was gone, Tony and his mother asked William about what the physician had said. But he said,
"There is nothing that is troubling me. Don't worry about me."
Many days passed by, but still, there was no improvement in William's health. So his wife and son were very worried. One day, Tony recalled an argument that he had with his father a few months ago. He went to him and said,
"Father, I know that you are worried about me. That day, in anger, I said I would leave the house. Please forgive me. From now onwards, I will never say anything that might hurt you."
William nodded his head with a smile. But still there was no change in his physical condition. The news about his deteriorating health spread throughout the village. When his friend Harry heard about him, he came to see him. A few months ago, Harry had borrowed $1,000 from him. Now as he sat beside the sick William, the latter said in anger,
"Harry, you took some loan from me, but you have not yet returned it to me."
Listening to him, Harry thought that William was worried about his money only. So he immediately returned the money and said,
"William, my friend, I never thought that for such a small amount you would fall sick. Now, as I have returned your money, I hope for your quick recovery."
However, still there was no improvement in William's ailing health. When William's daughter heard about his father's illness, she came to see him with her in-laws. Her father-in-law went close to William and said,
"Please forgive me, William. It was not wise of me to demand for a gold ring. I know that you are worried about it. I am ashamed of myself. We want nothing. You just get well soon."
Now everyone was sure that William will recover soon. But he only smiled. Thus, none could understand why William was so worried. Suddenly his wife remembered something and went near him. She said something in his ears. Listening to his wife, his face brightened up. He said,
"Are you sure of what you say? You don't need it anymore." "Sure. Now, I am perfectly all right."
Saying this, he got up and sat on the bed. Everyone was surprised and asked her,
What did you say in his ears? That made him get well?
She replied, "Actually, a few days ago, I asked him to buy me a gold girdle. This is what was bothering him. I shouldn't have asked him for such a thing. But now, since I have taken my demand back, he is fine." William said,
"Oh." When she asked me about a gold girdle, I was shocked. It would take about 50 gold coins to make a girdle for her. This gave me a heart attack. But now, since she has taken her demand back, I am fine.
Everyone began to laugh. William further said,
But now, I think, I must satisfy my wife's desire. After all, I have earned so much for her only.
It was a surprising news for everyone. William had changed. His wife was very pleased. She said, "No, I don't want a girdle anymore. If you really want to make one, do it for our daughter." William was even more excited now. He said,
Oh, what a beautiful idea. She is very slim. It will take only about 10 to 11 gold coins to make a girdle for my daughter.
Everyone was very happy about it, because now William had changed from his heart and soul.